Meaning of howler.
howler,
Howler.
howler,
Howler. The word howler has multiple meanings. One common definition refers to a loud and harsh sound, such as the howling of a strong wind or the howling of a wolf. Another meaning is a mistake or error that is easily noticed, often resulting in embarrassment for the person responsible. In informal language, howler can also refer to something that is particularly outrageous or ridiculous. Overall, howler describes something that is loud, noticeable, and often associated with a negative connotation.